Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are opening the JioCinema app on your phone. At the time guys, you can getting this type of irritating error. As you can see guys in my screen, JioCinema keep stopping. So how to fix this problem? Now in this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So when you are facing this type of problem guys, just need to close your app. Okay, after closing, first main thing, you need to check your internal storage. If the internal storage is full on your phone, at that time you can definitely face this type of error. Okay, so in case your storage is almost free, afterwards you are facing this type of error guys, now you can try this next fixes. Now you need to update the JioCinema app from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store and search JioCinema app, and if the app update is available, simply update the app. After updating, open the app. Now hopefully this will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to check your internet connection. If the internet connection is not coming good, at the time you can also face this type of problem. After this guys, still you are facing same type of problem, now open your phone settings, scroll down and find out apps or application manager. Just open it. From here you need to find out the JioCinema app. Just open it. Now you need to clear the storage and caches of this app. Go to storage, clear the caches and clear the data of this app. After doing this, go back, and here you can get the option force stop. Just tap on it. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the JioCinema app. Now it will fix your problem 100%. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.